A 500 internal server error is a generic error message indicating that something has gone wrong on the server, but the server cannot be more specific about the exact problem. When you encounter this error while trying to load DeepSeek or any other web service, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. 1. Refresh the page. Sometimes the error is temporary. Simply refreshing the page might resolve the issue. 2. Check server status. Visit the official DeepSeek status page or their social media channels to see if there are any known outages or maintenance activities. 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Cached data or corrupted cookies can sometimes cause issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try accessing DeepSeek again. 4. Try a different browser or device. The issue might be specific to your browser or device. Try accessing DeepSeek using a different browser or device to see if the problem persists. Check your internet connection. An unstable or slow internet connection can sometimes cause server errors. Ensure your connection is stable and try again. 6. Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Disable extensions one by one to see if any of them are causing the issue. 7. Check for URL errors. Ensure that the URL you are trying to access is correct. A typo in the URL can sometimes lead to a 500 error. 8. Contact DeepSeek support. If the issue persists, it might be a problem on DeepSeek's end. Contact their support team and provide them with details such as the exact time the error occurred, any error messages or codes you received, steps you took before encountering the error.